Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I came up with this look. Hope you enjoy. Today's look is inspired by the butterfly and the color orange. Let's get into it. First, I'll start by applying my primer and foundation and on to the eyebrows. I prefer my eyebrows to look as natural as possible, so I go in with my brown eye pencil and on to shaping. Now I'm using my lighter shade concealer and I'm going to apply it in specific areas where the eyeshadow will go, and this is to make the eyeshadow pop. The next step is to draw the wing shape with my brown eye pencil to get the pattern I want. Time for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to use the orange color and I'm going in with dark orange first. Time for the second eyeshadow. So for the second eyeshadow, I'm going to use the translucent eyeshadow and I'm going to pick light orange. You can see from using the lighter shade concealer how it makes my eyeshadow pop. Now let's go to the most exciting part, and in this part we are going to stick the rhinestones on the wing shape that we drew in step 3. Make sure to follow the pattern neatly. This is the outcome. Thank you for watching. For those who already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Until next time, bye.